poem we were talking about the two kind of people. How many kind of people? Two kind of people. First, those who are favor in fire, and the second, those who are favor in ice. But he says that, writer says that both have capacity to destroy the whole community. So here we were talking about the some say world will come in fire. So here the prediction or the hypothesis which is being given, that if you want to see that the whole world will come to an end. So when the people, the desire of the people, when the desire of people will reach at the utmost level, जब हमारी सोच जो है वो इतनी ज्यादा बढ़ जाए, सब कुछ मेरा है, सब कुछ मेरा है, सब कुछ ऐसे करके हमेशा सोचने की, मैं जैसे लगे कि वो कुछ भी मैं अचीव कर सकता हूँ, आई एम सो पावरफुल. तो अगर इतनी ज्यादा पावरफुल की अगर खुद के अंदर एक लस्ट हो जाए, बढ़ जाए, उनके अंदर सोच बढ़ जाए, तो समझ जाना कि ये एक क्या है, फायर है जो पूरी दुनिया को, खुद को वो खत्म कर लेगा. दूसरे लोग, सेकंड वन कहता है नंबर बी, दोज हु आर फेवर इन आइस. तो वो कहते हैं कि ऐसे लोग जो कहते हैं कि मुझे तो पता है आइस भी खत्म कर सकता है. फिर एक कहता है कि नहीं, जहां तक मैं जानता हूं, फ्रॉम व्हाट आई हैव टेस्टेड ऑफ डिजायर, जहां तक मैंने डिजायर को जाना है, जहां मैं पूरी तरह से डिजायर के बारे में स्टडी किया है, तो आई नो इट इज इनफ टू डिस्ट्रॉय द होल कम्युनिटी, destroy the whole world. So I hold with those who favor fire. So in communication, in talking between two people, those who both are talking to each other and telling that the world will come to an end if the desire reaches at the utmost level, and the other side, the person, those who are standing and favoring the ice, he is also telling that the ice, you should not underestimate the power of ice also, as because it has capacity also to destroy the whole community. So this way it goes. And now the literary devices what we discussed in the sum and sum, when a word is used consecutive two or more than two lines, is called here anaphora. Sum and sum, the first literary device is here alliteration, because S is here. Some say. From what I have tasted, it is a metaphoric word, so it is metaphor. I hold with those who favor fire. Favor fire is also an alliteration. Here I is referred to author. I is referred to author. Robert Frost. Is it clear?
Yes.
So this way we knew that what is the meaning of the first stanza. Is it clear?
Yes.
If you have doubt any, is there any doubt? No.